am available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access Mathematics, Accounting and Statistics, Problems Rock.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session we are taking Word Chapter 4 Simulation Training. I will guide you through this training step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your training by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. You can contact me easily on my WhatsApp and email. I will handle your complete course. You will be free from this course. I will do your all assignments, all training and all exam, midterm and final. I am also handling many students courses on Pearson, Cengage, Blackboard and many more colleges and universities. I will provide you A+ grade in your complete course. I can do all online courses, accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python and many more online courses. Let's start our training to solve a step by step. Question number 1 is that select all document, text, change the paragraph, spacing before to 0 point and the spacing after 0 point. Okay, select all document first. First we will select all document and then go to the paragraph group. Okay, first we will select this all document and then go to the paragraph group. Okay, and then we will change the paragraph spacing before and after 0 point. In the home tab, in the paragraph group, change the paragraph spacing before to 0 point and then the spacing after to 0 point. Go to the paragraph group, spacing before 0 point and after 0 point and then click on OK. 0 point, after 0 point, click on OK. Click after the ending quotation mark and before the ending period in the second sentence of the first body paragraph, ending string about out of doors. Insert a caption for a news source by selecting book section in this tab of source field and type Javed Sarah Orton in the author field, a white heron in the title field, and then the American tradition in literature in the book title field. Okay, click after the ending quotation mark and before the ending period in the second sentence, the first body paragraph. Ending is string about out of door. Here we will insert a caption. Click on here, insert a caption for a news source. Click on the references tab, go to the references tab and then click on insert caption. Add a new caption, type of source field and then typing Javed Sarah on in the author field. Okay, type of source is book section and author is Javed Sarah on. Okay, book section Javed Sarah on is the author. Javed Sarah on is the author. On in the author field, O or N. Okay, a white heron is the title field. The American tradition is a literature in the book title field. Go to the book title field and then we will type the American tradition in literature. The American tradition in literature. Then click on OK. Create a source dialog box. Literature, click on source dialog box. Create a source dialog box. A dash. Now in the create source dialog box, complete the source information. Okay, enter 2019 in the year field. We will type 2019 in the year field. Okay, enter 2019 in the year field. 531-537 in the page field. We will type. Now New York in the city field. We will type New York in the city field. New York in the city field, and MC Grahill in the publisher field. MC Grahill in the publisher field. Then we will create a source. Hills in the publisher field. Then create a source. Click on OK. Insert a insert a citation after the word Salvia's conviction holds firm, and before the period and the first body paragraph on page 1 using Javed as the references. Okay, insert a citation. Okay, insert a citation after the word Salvia's conviction. Insert a citation, then holds firm and before the period in the first body paragraph on page 1 using Javed as the references. Okay, Salvia's conviction. Okay, hold firm. Then click on insert a quotation. Okay, added the presentical Javed citation displayed after the word striding about out of doors to include page number 532. Do not suppress the display of author year or title. Okay, added the presentical Javed citation displayed after the word string about out of door. Okay, right click on this, click added citation. Okay, 532, click on OK. Using the added citation dialog box, added the Javed citation displayed after the word Salva's conviction holds firm and before the period in the first body paragraph to include 537 at the page number. Okay, page 537. Then click on authors. Okay, click on OK. Question is completed now. The next question is that position the insertion point at the end of the document and insert a page break. Okay, position the insertion point at the end of the documents. Okay, and insert a page break. Scroll down and then position the insertion at of the document and then go to the insert tab and then click on page break. Insert the word cited bibliography. Go to the references tab and then click on bibliography. Okay, select all of the text on the works cited page including the works cited heading. Change the font to Times New Roman and change the font size to 12 point. Okay, we will select all of the text on the works cited page including the works cited heading. Change the font Times New Roman. Okay, we will go to the font group in the home tab and then we will style font size to New Roman and then change the font size to 12 point. Now set the line spacing of all the text on the works cited page including the works cited heading to double. Go to the paragraph group and then select double and then click on OK. Remove bold formatted from the works cited heading and then center works cited. We will select this, remove bold formatting from the works cited heading and then center the apply. We will remove this bold and heading and center works cited. Go to the alignment tab and then apply center works cited. Question is completed now. Click after the quotation mark ending the first sentence in the last paragraph on page 1. Ending is a fairy tale. Insert a footnote tab. Dr. Theodore Howitt is a renowned researcher at the University of Southern Colorado. Okay. We will click after the quotation mark ending the first sentence in the last paragraph on page 1. Ending is a fairy tale. Insert a footnote. Ending is a fairy tale. Click after the quotation mark ending the first sentence. Okay. Go to the references tab. Click on insert footnote. Sorry, 1 second. Last paragraph on page 1. Ending is a fairy tale. Ending is a fairy tale, and then we will insert a footnote. Here is ending is a fairy tale. Okay, click in here after ending is a fairy tale. Okay, click on here and then go to the references tab and then click on insert a footnote. We will type a footnote. Dr. Theodore Howitt is a renowned researcher. At the University of Southern Colorado. At the University of Southern Colorado. Okay. Click after the period ending the first sentence in the first full paragraph on page 2. Ending is at villain. Insert a footnote. Okay. Click after the period ending the first sentence in the full paragraph. Okay. Here is villain. We will insert a footnote. Click on here and go to references tab. Click on insert footnote. And then we will type footnote is here. Grimm's Fairy Tales is a classic collection of such stories. Okay, Grimm's Fairy Tales of classics stories, collection of such stories. Okay, include the periods. Classics. Okay, modify the footnote text style to include a font size of 12 and font theme to New Roman. Okay, modify 12 font size and then formatting to New Roman. Click on OK. Okay, font style to New Roman. Time New Roman. We will select this footnote and right click on this, click on style. Style is New Roman and modify 12 font size. Here is New Roman, Times New Roman, and then font size is 12. Then click on OK. Then click on apply. Okay, question is completed now. with the insertion point at the beginning of document. Select center alignment and change the font size to 16 point. Go to the home tab and go to the paragraph group. Okay, with the insertion point at the beginning of document, select center alignment, go to the alignment tab and then apply center the alignment, and then go to the font size and then apply 16 point font size and change the font color to black text font. Go to the font color and then we will apply black text font color. Press enter 5 times. Type an analysis of a white heron and press enter. Okay, we will press enter 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, type an analysis of a white heron and then a white heron and then press enter. Select analysis of a white heron on the cover page on the home tab. In the font group, click change case and then font, and then from to list click uppercase. Select an analysis of white heron on the cover page. On the home tab in the font group, click change. We will select this and go to the home tab and the cover group uppercase. Change the markup view to all markup. Change the markup view to all markup. Go to the review tab and then go to the simple markup and then go to the tracking group and then we will apply all markup. Accept all remaining changes in the document and stop tracking. Go to the accept and then accept all remaining changes and stop tracking. Display the document with no markup. Okay, go to the tracking group, apply all markup and then no markup. Okay, question is completed now.